welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Keerthi Kumar, and in case if you're visiting my channel for the first time, or in case if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do hit the subscribe button, guys. That means so much to me. And yes, today's video is all about the my favorite 5 highlighters, so which complements Indian complexion so well. So I am doing this top 5 makeup series from a while now, and today's video is all about this top 5 highlighters. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the highlighters part now. So my first favorite highlighter, which I am loving at this moment, is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, guys. I am so much in love with this highlighter. This is actually a drugstore product. I know I usually prefer like a high-end over drugstore because of the quality reasons and because of the payoff and the finish and all of that, but you know what, this is just like so close to high-end product, you know. Just I am so much crushing over this recently, and I just thought that I cannot neglect this highlighter, and I just have to include this in today's video. So this is my favorite one, and this is in the shade called Molten Gold, which complements the Indian skin so well. So particularly if you have this wheatish complexion and the yellow warm complexion, guys, trust me, this is the best highlighter that you can get your hands on. And okay, I just have this highlighter on my finger over there. Okay, let me just show that swatch to you. So this is the swatch, guys. This is just so beautiful, like a very goldish tint highlighter, and it looks super good on Indian skin. So I have been using this highlighter like in few of my recent videos, and I am loving that glow. I think if you have just watched those videos, you would already know that glow. I mean, like that pop of highlighter look that this highlighter is giving. So yeah, this is my favorite highlighter, and in case if you are looking something in the affordable range and in the drugstore option, just like do check this product out, guys. I'm sure this product will not disappoint you. So yeah, and the other favorite highlighter of mine is now from the high end. Yeah, this one is from MAC. So this is again a beautiful highlighter. I won't say this has that, you know, too much of glittery kind of look, but this is like a very subtle highlighter, but it gives that highlighting effect. So if you are a bridal makeup artist, I would say that you just include this in your kit, because when your bride just stays in hot sun or something, or when she isn't a fan of like huge highlighter, or if the bride has like a textured skin or something, you don't need to put like too much of highlighter on her skin. You just have to use a subtler option. For that, you can use this kind of highlight, and it looks super good. If you just want to intensify, you can always take a Fix Plus or any fixing spray that you have. Just fix that on your brush, spray that on your brush, and just you know, apply that. It kind of intensifies the highlight. And this highlighter is again my favorite, guys. So this is the highlighter which my makeup artist has used on me on my wedding day, and I loved it. Like, I loved that glow, that subtle, you know, that pop of highlighter, the subtle pop of highlighter on my wedding day. So immediately I asked him like, what highlighter is that, and I purchased immediately after my wedding day, guys, just like after 2 days, I guess. So when I went to Hyderabad, I just went to the MAC store and immediately bought this highlighter and also this mascara, because this mascara that my makeup artist has used on my wedding day. So I just thought that I just need to grab these two. So yeah, so let me just show you the highlighter. So okay, so yeah, this one is the MAC Soft and Gentle, guys. So this has like a very soft sheen, kind of like, you know, soft highlighter kind of look to it. It's not entirely goldish tint of highlighter. It has a mix of peach, it has that mix of pink, it has that mix of gold and everything in it. So it's a very neutral and very subtle kind of highlighter. Now it doesn't have any chunky glitter in it or anything, so it's perfect for someone who isn't a fan of like you know, like who isn't a fan of that dramatic highlighter kind of things. If you just want a subtler option, just check this product out. Yeah, and And also my other favorite highlighter, which I love is, I think you guys would have already seen this in many videos of mine, that is this iconic London Illuminator Drops. So yes, this is actually a highlighter which is in the form of a liquid, so it's like an illuminator drops. So you can literally use this product in many ways, guys. You can mix this with your foundation. You can just apply this on your skin before your foundation, like all over your face before your foundation, and then apply your foundation on top of it to get that radiant finish. Or you can mix this with your foundation to get that radiant glow. Or you can just use this on the high point just like normal highlighter, and then you can top that up with your powder highlighter if you like layering, or you can just leave it like that. So this is again like a very versatile product. I love this highlighter, guys, and I use this product in every video of mine, like literally in every single video of mine. Like almost every single video of mine. Again, don't judge me, you know. So I use this product in most of the videos which I do, and yeah, I love this. So this shade is called the Original, and yeah, the shade name is called actually the Original because there are another variants in it. This is the Original iconic London Illuminator. So this again complements the Indian skin tone so well. This is not so goldish. It is kind of very pinkish, peachish, rose goldish type of highlight. It's not entirely rose gold. Again, it has that pinkish, peachy undertones to it, but it complements the Indian skin tone super good, guys. Let me just... So yeah, just see that glow, guys. I mean, like, I love this highlighter, guys. It has like, again, like a very neutrally tint of highlighting thing to it. It's not goldeny, it is neutral, but it again works super good on warm complexion as well. I have like warm complexion and it works super good on me, guys. So yeah, I love this liquid highlighter. This is my favorite liquid highlighter. And again, if you just want to try out the affordable version of this one, you can actually check out the Makeup Revolution Liquid Illuminator Drops. This is like very close dupe of this one. I haven't tried it out. I have just tried that at the store, but I haven't tried it out like on me personally. Like, I haven't used it for a while or anything, but I have tried that at the store, and I actually like that formulation as well in the affordable range. But this is my ultimate liquid highlighter favorite, like liquid illuminator favorite. So yeah, the next product which I love is, so we're done with 3 products, right? Yeah, so we're done with 3 products, and so I just want to talk about my other favorite product. That is the Anastasia Amrezy Highlighter. Okay, so this is the Anastasia Amrezy Highlighter, guys. Again, I love this highlighter so much. So this is actually a limited edition product. So this was actually released for the second time as well. So I bought it when this was released for the second time. So I just felt so bad when I missed it for the first time, guys. I thought like, oh my god, I missed it. I didn't purchase it. I missed it. So again, when they released it for the second time, immediately when I just saw that notification in Anastasia website that this is available online for purchase today, I just immediately went into their online store and I purchased this one. So I'm a crazy fan of this highlighter, and I have heard like so many good reviews about it. So that's the reason I bought that, and that didn't disappoint me, guys. So I love this highlighter. And I just love this, you know, that wavy pattern thing on this highlighter there. So it's just so beautiful. It's just so beautiful to look at. And again, that glow is just like amazing, guys. So let me just show that to you. So it's very, you know, like very finely milled kind of highlighter. It's not at all powdery. Let me just compare it with, if you just compare it with the, you know, Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, this one is like very smooth and very finely milled. You know, for the price point, I would definitely say that, you know, it's just alright, because it's like very pricey when you just compare it with the Maybelline highlighter. So in terms of aspects of that, the Maybelline is doing just like an amazing job. But if I just have to compare, you know, the goldish tint and everything of that, okay, alright. So can you guys see that? Or okay, let me just put that over there. So this is the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, guys. So just love this highlighter. Again, this is not that chunky glittery highlighter. It is very finely milled powdered highlighter. It's like very soft in texture. So if someone has like a little bit of imperfections or anything of that sort on the high points or something, you can actually work with this highlighter because it's not chunky and not too glittery. So it's super smooth in texture. And again, the shade is a little bit onto the golden side. It's not entirely completely golden like the Maybelline highlighter. It's more again warm golden. It is golden, but it's not this warm golden. So yeah, but it is actually golden, and it complements the Indian warm skin tone or any Indian complexion so well. And then the other highlighter which I love using is the Elixir Beauty highlighter, guys. Again, you guys would have already seen me using this in many videos of mine. So this is actually a palette which has got these different kind of highlighters, like blue ones, peachy ones, golden ones, brown ones, rose gold ones, and everything in it. What I love to do is I just love to mix this gold shade with this you know, this shade over here, this kind of rose goldish peachy toned shade over here. I just love to mix this one, and then it kind of gives a very nice rose goldish tint of highlighter. I love this highlighter, guys. I don't know if this is like a high-end brand or like a drugstore brand. I haven't heard about this brand actually, but this product is something which I got in the Mario's goodie bag, and that is when I just heard about this brand, and that's when I just saw this brand on my Instagram. Like I just checked that brand out on my Instagram, but I don't know if it's like drugstore or high-end. But you know what, I literally love this product, so I don't care if it's like drugstore or high-end. So if I love the product in terms of quality and everything, guys, I don't really mind using even a drugstore product, but I just want that quality payoff, and you know, the finish of the product should be amazing for me. That's my priority. So again, I just love this highlighter, guys. So yeah, in case if you just want to check out the palettes available in India, maybe you can check out the Makeup Revolution highlighter palettes, or actually I have the Huda Beauty, but I'm not a huge fan of the Huda Beauty highlighter palette. So maybe you can check out the Makeup Revolution highlighter palettes. Or the Morphe highlighter palettes are also so good. I have heard about it, but I haven't tried it out like on me. I have tried them out at the store. I loved it, but I'm planning on to purchase them. So yeah, this is such a gorgeous highlighter palette, guys. So you can also do kind of bronzing thing with that, with this brown shade over here, and you can apply this pinkish kind of color as a blush. You know, this is the best part. If you just have like palettes like that, you can do multi-purposing. So yes, guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. In case if you do so, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also please do hit that subscribe button, guys. That means so much to me. And also please do follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is Keerthi Kumar Makeup. And also if you have any makeup related questions, or like any beauty related questions, or like if you have any beauty related topic suggestions or makeup related topic suggestions, please put them in my comment section below, guys. And also do share your favorite highlighters also with me. I would love to know that. So yes, guys, that's all for this video. We'll be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.